Toronto.
Thanks, Danielle. Let's talk about periods. So, imagine a 20-year-old me on my way to class, then suddenly I had this feeling that I got my period. And then I realized I didn't have a period product on me. So, I went to the bathroom with my fingers crossed, hoping I didn't get my period or that I could get a pad. But the only thing that was in the washroom was toilet paper. My story is just one of many. Every menstruator has experienced this panic, hoping that they didn't get their time of the month when they forget to have pads or tampons in them. Hi, my name is Nicole Sanchez, and I'm one of the co-founders of Ruth. Every year, 12 billion menstrual pads are sent to North American landfills. These pads typically contain of 90% plastic and 10% cotton, and they can take up to 800 years to completely biodegrade. But for me as a menstruator, reusable menstrual products or menstrual cups are just too uncomfortable or they're too inconvenient to use. So we started Ruth, the most convenient way to become more sustainable with our 93% plant-based menstrual pads. Our pads have one key ingredient, kenaf fiber, which is a renewable plant that has a carbon footprint of 5.3 times less than cotton. Our pads were launched on Kickstarter last year, and in just 48 hours, we were fully funded. And by the end of our campaign, we were 208% funded. We offer our pads online as well, and we launched it in October. And period products are being offered online through a monthly subscription. Our products are also offered at the washrooms with workplaces so that it's more accessible, hoping that the 20-year-old me and people like 20-year-old me wouldn't have to get their period products in the washroom. So if you're looking for an impact-driven investment in the $5.5 billion menstrual care market, or you're looking to stock your workplaces or your schools with sustainable menstrual care, choose Ruth and help us transform the flow of menstruation by turning red into green. Thank you.